Hi there! In this video, you will get an introduction to Publish. This is where you create, publish, and distribute your content from your own newsroom. Now let's start with the different story types. Press releases are often fact-heavy texts with great news value, especially for the press. These could be product launches, recent awards, or major recruitments. News is just as important in your communication work. It aims to reach a broader audience, not just journalists. These could be customer cases, participation in events, or minor updates about your business. A blog post shows the company's personality and allows for a more casual tone. These could be interviews with coworkers, sponsorships, or tips and tricks. Now let's go over to publishing a story in your newsroom. Today I'm going to publish a press release. Click on Publish, choose Press Releases, and then click Create New. The Publish form is divided into 3 parts. The first part is where you create your story. The second part is where you decide how to distribute it. And the third and last part is where you confirm and publish the story. And to make it easy for you, the Publish form looks the same for all story types. The heading is where the title of your story goes. The header image will be published as part of your story. Pick an image from your media bank or upload a new one. For best results, use a landscape image. The body is your whole story. Did you know that you can also add images and videos directly into this field? Click here to upload an image or here to add a video. Working with images and videos often generates more traffic to your story. The snippet will appear in all places where only an excerpt of the story is shown, such as in social media feeds, emails, or search engines. As you can see, I copied the introduction from the body into the snippet field. You can write the snippet from scratch if you want, but this is a great way to save time. Alright, let's go to Related Media. Attach additional images, videos, and documents connected to your story under Related Media. Just click Add Related Media and choose the type of media and then mark the ones you like to add. You can also upload a new image from here. Related content allows you to build connections among stories in your newsroom. Choose the type of content and then mark the ones you want to add. This is a good way to guide your readers in discovering more of your great content. The press contact will automatically be added by default to your story. However, if someone else needs to be the contact person for a specific story, you can change that under Related Contacts. Just mark that person you like to add. Add relevant links you want to promote in your story, such as a link to your website or your YouTube account. Next up is tags. Use tags to structure content in your newsroom and make it easy for your visitors to find the content they're looking for. A tag represents a subject or group of stories that are connected to each other. You can either use tags that you have used before or add a new tag by typing it in here. Great! Part 1 is done. Preview your story, and when you feel done, continue to Part 2. First, set the publication date for the story. You can choose to publish it now, backdate, or schedule it at another time. If you backdate more than 8 days, it will not be sent out to any subscribers or followers. It will be added to your news archive though. And not to forget, you can see a preview of your story to the right. Now let's move on to topics. By adding topics, you will reach out to journalists who are subscribers of that topic. Make sure to add relevant topics in order to reach the right audience. By adding a subtopic, you will reach both subscribers of the main topic as well as a subtopic. If you only add the main topic, you will only reach subscribers of the main topic but not the subtopics. The same principle applies to regions. Add regions when your content is aimed at a specific region and if you want to reach out to local journalists. To make it easier for you, you can set default topics and regions in newsroom settings. If you have added any lists and contacts, select the list that you want to send the story to. If the same contact appears on several lists, duplicates are automatically eliminated by the system. To publish the story on any of your social channels, switch on the toggle and customize the post if you like. The content will be published on your social channels at the same time as in your newsroom. When you're done with your story, click Continue to Publish. Review the summary of your story carefully. And that's all. You can now start sharing your stories. Thanks for watching.